I'm Teresa from the Florida Barbells channel, and I hope you'll join us today. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Hit the bell, you'll know when we post. Come along with us. God bless. The kids are doing hurricane prep. This is hurricane prep.
Well, we need more double A's. We don't have enough.
Okay.
But we have plenty of triple A's.
Triple A's?
Yeah.
Jay's putting the batteries in, making sure the right ones are there, and Luke is testing everything to make sure that they work. Important jobs.
Yeah.
Now we're off to a party. Who's ready to party?
Me.
You guys want to go to a party? You all
I just got wet and then I dried off.
Okay, let's go. Party time. Let's cut the cake. It matches her dress too. Jake, open the door for her. You ready, Dave? Cake time. Don't drop the cake. So we're all ready to go. We are in the car. I have the cake. Super nice that we picked up today. Picked up this cake at Costco. Veronica carried it out to the car. It was a brave task for them to give me the job of getting the cake with all the kids and expect it not to get eaten or touched. So if we make it there, everyone's gonna be impressed that we made it to a very good priest friend of ours 30th anniversary party of his ordination without letting the kids eat the cake or touch it or anything for that matter to happen to it. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We're all excited, we're all dressed up, going as a family. Eli's actually asleep, my goodness. He's so tired, poor little thing. He's going to a party, he's not gonna know what hit him. These are favors for everyone. Dave's gonna go around handing them out. The little dress and masseuse. They're super cute. Yeah. Go around just asking people, say thank you for coming and give them a favor. Can you do it? Good job.
Oh, thank you. Give me the pink, please. Give me the pink. I love pink. Yes, thank you. Give me the better cooler.
Okay.
And a purple one. That's lovely. Right here. Oh, thank you so much.
What's this? For me?
Thank you. I love it. That is fantastic. Okay,
Like this.
time to go, guys. Let's round them up. Move them out. We're missing Dave.
Wait, Luke's in the bathroom.
Luke's in the bathroom. Do we know where Dave is?
No.
Going to leave and Dave's not here. You can't leave Dave. Dave will stay and party all night. We found Dave. He was in the bathroom. Just didn't tell us. And now we're headed out. Going home. It's late. We're all getting in the van. Going home. Did you have fun, Lukie? Thank you for joining us tonight. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and share. Hit the bell. You'll know when we post. I hope you're all wholly happy and healthy. God bless.